Good morning. I'm going to do a quick get ready with me with my Seint makeup palette. Everything I'm going to use is in this palette. The colors, eyeshadows, although today I did this look with my purples. So, to begin with, I'm going to warm up my skin with my Bella bronzer. I don't know where you live, but today it is spring where we live, obviously, but it's raining, and it's been raining all morning. So it's very gray. Temperatures are about 60. And I might go out. I have an errand to run. Do you that have adult children, do you still do Easter baskets? I don't really want to do an Easter basket. I kind of gave that up many years ago. Our youngest is 24. The oldest is 37. But I just wanted to get the kids some chocolate. So, and maybe I want to get me some chocolate too. So next up is contour. I'm just gonna place it up high in my hairline, bring it down on my forehead. So, and speaking of Easter, does everybody have big plans for making an Easter dinner? We do have loose plans of making a spiral ham. But what sides are you guys doing? Just curious to know what everybody else does for their holiday dinners. It's always a dilemma on what to cook for me. But anyway, thought I would do a quick get ready and then I'm off to the store. So next up is my mango. I'm just gonna cover a little bit of my redness. Not a lot, just a little bit where I'm red, and then I'll do the under eye with some demi product, which is specifically for that purpley area that I have. But this is just quick. That's the greatest thing about Seint makeup, is that it's cream and you only put it on one layer, so you're not putting your contour and then your foundation, and then on top of that you might put your bronzer if you use it, or whatever order you're doing it in. It doesn't really matter with these because they all blend in, but with this product you're just putting it where you want it, and you're doing one layer, so you're not putting 3 layers. I mean, for me it would be like 4 layers because I want to cover, conceal my areas of darkness, and then of course I want to, hide the H spots, whatever. But today I'm just going to do a light coverage of demi. You don't need a lot. I am 62, so it's not like I'm trying to be 30. I'm just trying to look put together and pretty, That's what most women want. They want to feel good. All right, so then I'm going to brighten. I don't want to add too much, but I do a little bit. Kind of the center of my face, down the center of my nose. I'm not going to bother with contouring my nose today because this is just out and about, Okay, and then for lip and cheek, I think I'm gonna do this dark color. It's a little bit scary. It's called Black Cherry. It looks pretty intense, and it is, but once you blend it, it's like an amazing color, and I just like the way it makes my green eyes pop. So that's what we're gonna do. And then, you can just do it a little bit on your cheeks and lips. That's the beauty of these colors, is that they go on your lips and your cheeks, so it's multi-use, okay? And then once you're done, you can do a little bit of a highlighter if you want. This one is rose color, and you can just tap that where you want a little bit of highlight, maybe a little bit right there, top of your lips. And then you just blend it all together. So I've already prepped my sponge, it's wet, I've squeezed it out, then I added the setting spray, and so I'm just going to tap off any extra, but you know, I did such a light hand today that it'll all blend just seamlessly. So you just tap it, kind of diffuse the lines if you didn't blend it with your brush. You could just do this with your brush if you wanted. Some people don't use setting spray. I do. I like the look of kind of like a little bit dewy. And then it should not feel sticky. And you've just blended it all together. And there you have it. It's simple, it's easy, anyone can do it. I'd love to help you choose your colors. So if you'd like a color match, click the link in my bio and we'll get started on matching you to your Seint colors. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend. Enjoy your family and your friends and whatever good meal you choose. Drop me a comment with what sides you're cooking this weekend.